What's up guys, today we're gonna reacting to my subscribers. As- So you see I'm subscribed to all of them already, but I have not yet to the channel. Let's see. Oh, you make videos too? Oh, you have 80. You're lucky you have 85. I only have 49. Okay, shirts. Okay, so you make nature videos? This is
मुलगा औषध याला कसा नाही म्हणतोय
uminom ka ng gamot, pre. Ayaw mo uminom ng gamot, sasapakin ko yung mukha mo. Diya ka. Gader. Ano to? T-shirts. Oh, 200. Okay. Enough of that. DJ Vlog. 11 years. 11 years ago. Like 11 years. During the 11 years ago. Oh my. You have 7 subscribers and videos. You only have videos? You make Roblox content? I love you. Ito. Who the fuck is this? Okay. It's gentle-headed. It's not a man. Let me check his guys. Edward, YouTuber. Not even. So play Battle of Cats. What is this? Ooh. Well, yeah, that's all of my subscribers. What's it like? Anyway, do my channel. Thank you for watching this game. Honestly, I'm gonna react to some subscribers. If you subscribe, thank you so much.